Hello friends, welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive food truck business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our food truck business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you on how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. We will create a business profile for our food truck business. You need to create a workspace called Corner Hut. Our business name is Corner Hut. Here, you need also to provide a brief about your business idea, like I am John Doe. I plan to start an Italian food truck called Corner Hut in Austin, Texas. Corner Hut is an Italian cuisine food truck. I am going to provide a street food experience serving pizza, lasagna, etc. Italian fast food, we are going to target the Italian crowd in the town, etc. Once we add a brief about your business idea, ask AI to suggest some tagline for your business. We are selecting this tagline. Moving forward, adding more about your business idea. Select the industry as it's a food, beverage, and restaurant industry. In our company stage, let's say we are just in the idea stage. Is the company currently in operation? No. The United States is pre-selected for currency and country, so no changes are needed. In funding details, we are bootstrapped, but yes, we are looking for some funding and we are looking for $30,000 of funding. Our purpose of this business plan is to seek an investment. Here, AI will generate questionnaires for us. Questions would be like, what is your target audience? What products or services you are going to sell? What is your marketing plan? What is your operational plan? Etc. So let's say here AI has drafted questions for us that we need to answer, but we are using AI-generated answers. What is the core mission of your food truck, and how do you envision impacting the local community? Our core mission is to deliver authentic Italian street food that not only satisfies craving, but also brings people together to share joy and experience. Now, moving ahead, we are selecting all the AI-generated answers to quickly move forward. So we have done with all 15 questions. Now, moving ahead, here you can invite your colleague, your team member, or the stakeholder together do business planning. Once you add all the essential details, now we will ask AI to generate a business plan for us. It is drafting the first version of our business plan. While it does so, this is a sidebar that contains some templates. This is the outline of our business plan. It has prepared an outline. You can customize the outline from here. You can add or remove the sections. Now we have a business plan ready with us. This is the executive summary it has written. Corner Hut is an innovative food truck concept set to bring authentic Italian cuisine to the streets of Austin, Texas. Our mission is to center around the delivery, not just this delicious pizza and pasta, but a commercial experience that encourages connections and happiness among the patrons, etc. So let's see what section it has embedded into the company overview. It has added business owners charts, only the sole owner, John Doe. Also, it has added a history and background, vision statement, mission statement, and future goals section. There is a product and service section, market size section, market trends, market growth, industry analysis section, and competitor analysis section. Here, it has listed competitors. Later, you can do a competitor analysis and you can list actual competitors in your business plan. Now we are moving to the financial section. There you will see all the empty details, all the empty figures. That is because you need to set up a financial section. Let's complete the financial setup. Let's say our financial plan is getting started from January 2024. We are planning for the next 3 years. Our financial year is starting from January. Now, we are done with setting up our financial forecast tool. We may ask AI to suggest some revenue streams for us. So it has suggested some revenue streams for the food truck business or the food industry. We will start adding a revenue stream. We may add it manually. Let's add pizza revenue. Let's say this is a service business. So let's say we are expecting 1,000 customers monthly, and each will spend some $40. Also, we are expecting 2% monthly growth. So this has generated a revenue forecast for us for the next 3 years. Then we will add the cost of sales for this revenue stream. Let's say it is pizza COGS. This is some, let's say, 20% of revenue. Then add operating expenses. We may ask AI to suggest the food truck expenses. So this has suggested some expenses. Now we need to pick any expenses. Let's say we are picking up some social media expenses and electricity. For social media expenses, let's say it is a fixed expense. Let's say monthly we are spending some X amount of, let's say $500 in social media marketing. Then electricity, $300 we're spending electricity fees. Next, personal expenses. Let's say primary cook. We are spending a $5,000 monthly salary with a 10% yearly increment. Here, you can even customize these cell values. Let's say you are hiring one more person or one more cook, so you can increase this figure to 2. Let's add one more employee salary. Let's say it's helper. We are spending a $3,000 monthly salary with a 10% yearly increment. Next, funding. We are looking for some funding to add as a bank loan. We are looking for, let's say, $30,000 of funding, and tenure would be 24 months, and the interest rate would be 12% a year. Now, let's add some assets. Let's say we need to purchase a truck. That would be a long-term asset. We are spending something around $50,000 to purchase a truck. We are purchasing a truck in January 2024. So this is a long-term purchase. And there would be some depreciation after the salvage value is 50%. So it will calculate the depreciation automatically. Now, once we add all these necessary financial components, it will calculate the dashboard and the financial reports for us. So we are profitable from day one. That is because we started selling our business from day one. Let's say we will start selling after 6 months from the planned start date. Let's say we start selling in July. So we'll find there would be a break even after 7 to 8 months. It would be in September. And there are some funding requirements of $81,000. Now you will see this financial data flowing in your business plan as well. Profit and loss report, cash flow report, and the balance sheet reports. You can find all your data over there in your business plan. Also, you can check the charts of use of funds with details. Here, you'll find various financial metrics that are calculated for you, like various financial charts and reports. You can just drag and drop to embed them into your business plan. Let's say this is a profit and loss chart. This is a break-even chart. So, once you have your plan ready, you'll find some various cover page options over here. You can download your plan from here as a PDF or the doc format. Also, you can share your business plan online with banks or investors using a link. Now, we just created a business plan for your food truck business. Remember, this is just a blueprint for your foundation. With Upmetrics, you can refine your forecasts, tailor your strategies, and adapt your plan to meet the demands of your target market. Try Upmetrics to create your business plan today. Join us in our next video for more such business planning tips and strategies for your food truck business startup. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.